Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer, and this week's quick tip is to show you how to create your own templates. So I'm going to go across to my design screen and show you how easy it is to do it. I'm going to go incognito in this video because I need to access the instructions at the top right of my screen. I'm in my design screen now, and these are the templates that we produced to go into our content blog, including free templates, which you can download very easily and then use yourself. But now I'm going to show you how you can create templates for yourself. Once you've got your designs, you can do it for an individual design as well. It's very simple to create a template. And templates are incredibly useful. You can create template backgrounds that you can share with your team to ensure that you have a consistent brand look and feel on all your social media posts. Or you can do them to sell. Selling Canva templates has become a big business. And it's great if you've got some really good design skills. But you need to be careful because it does take marketing to do it. It takes time and effort. But I'm just going to show you how to create the templates yourself. And I'm just going to click on share. And this is now where everything has moved to in terms of sharing and downloading in Canva, which is a very recent change. So I'm going to click on share. And this is where download has moved to, in case you were wondering. And because I've actually done it already, template link is up here. But when I first went to the screen, I had to go to more to find this template link. It's so simple. All you need to do is click on that template link, and then you end up with this very long URL. And if you copy that and then go to a new tab, and then you'll get the templates that I just shared. And as I demonstrated last week, all you then have to do is click use the template, and it will open up in your own Canva account. As you can see, it's really simple to do, and I hope that helps. Catch up with you next week.